Good morning, Jack Bailey here at Pine Belt Chevrolet Buick, Chevy Jack. I want to welcome you to Everything Corvette. Technology has come such a long way. We're going to talk about the MyChevrolet app, which enhances your ownership, protection of your vehicle, convenience, being able to lock, unlock, crank, check your tire pressures. There's so many things you can do just with your phone. This is an iPhone. You can use an Android as well. And this is the MyChevrolet app. Simply tap on it. There you go, there's my car right here. We can lock it, we can unlock it, we can start it, we can scroll up, and look at the status on our vehicle as well. It's very important. You're going to take a drive. You want to know, do I need fuel? It's showing how many miles I have. This is the fuel. This is the oil life. Scroll up. We can look at my tire pressures. My air filters, upcoming maintenance on my vehicle. It tells me about that. I can tap in and it gives me a lot more information about it. Up here in the top, I can check, and there I am again, and it tells the points I've added up. My wife's vehicle as well. You can put up to 5 different vehicles. You can go into your account. You can see how helpful this thing can really be. Being able to lock it, unlock it, and start it, and be thousands of miles away from it and still be able to lock it, unlock it, and check where it's at. And now we're on the outside, and we're going to go over this app, the MyChevrolet app, and show you how convenient, how easy it is to lock, unlock, start your vehicle as well, and you can be from another location. We're going to open up into the home page. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lock it. Just press it. Now it's locked. We're going to go ahead and we're going to unlock it. Now your vehicle is unlocked. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start. That's how simple it is. If you don't cut it off, if you forget about it, it'll run for 15 minutes, bring it up to the temperature it needs to run at, and then it'll shut itself off. Jack Bailey, Pine Belt Chevrolet Buick. Thank you for joining us in Everything Corvette.